Okay, x squared plus 5x minus 14, whoops, sorry, is less than 0. Well, in order to figure out where this is less than 0, first thing I got to do is figure out where it equals 0. So I'm going to factor that, where it equals 0, and factors of negative 14 that add to positive 5, well, that will be positive 7 and negative 2. So x here will be negative 7 or positive 2. And then once again, I'm just going to take a quick look at the number line first. Negative 7, positive 2. I'm going to put circles around those. Okay, this is a parabola that opens up. Now, if it didn't open up, I would move everything to the other side of the inequality. I would make it open up. Okay, because then I got a nice standard way of approaching it. The parabola opens up. Now, if I'm looking for where the parabola is less than 0, in other words, if I'm driving along this road, what I'm asking for is where do I cross and go below the border? Well, I am below the border in this little interval right here. I am less than 0. The parabola is below 0 in this little interval right here. Okay? Now that's what the number line solution looks like. So now what I'm going to do to write this in kind of an interval notation here, I'll bring down the negative 7 and the 2, and I'll put an x, okay, where the dark line is. Well, the dark line is in between, so the x goes in between. And now I simply put less than symbols between them. And if I choose this as my method of getting this interval notation here, I will always be using less than symbols, because whenever we go from left to right, okay, whatever's on the left will always be less than whatever's on the right. And so I just go across straight like that, and there's my solution.